This is a 2012 62 plate Mini Cooper Roadster. She is a Cooper S with a John Cooper Works body kit on her. Clean lines all the way around the front. No dings and dents, glass is all good on the windscreen. She has got rain sensing wipers. You can see the black box just there. Clear indicator lenses, clean lines all the way down the side. Body coloured wing mirrors. That is the rear alloy wheel. They're 17-inch Challenger alloys. Coming around, she does have parking sensors. I'm just going to open up for you so you can see in the boot. The load liner and the storage box are optional extras, but we're not hiding anything. She's all in really good condition underneath. There's nothing untoward going on. As I said, she is a Cooper S. Rear tyre tread, you can see, is all really good. That's the rear alloy wheel on the driver's side. She's a two-seater and she has got lounge leather in malt brown, which is rather pretty. I rather like it. That's the driver's seat and that's the passenger seat. Bolsters are all in good condition. Often those are the ones that get marked and scuffed. I'm just going to sit in and start her up. Let me just show you before I do that. She's 2 keys. Oh, turn the radio down. Okay, let me show you in her service history because she's all good to go. She's done 32,988 miles. The service one, please. There we go. So when I go in here, in the service menu, you can see, says she needs a new MOT, but I think that's already been done. 11,000 miles or 2021 before she needs an oil service. 04 2021 before she needs a brake fluid change. 14,000 miles on her front brake pads, 19,000 on the rear, and 28,000 miles or 01 2023 before she needs major inspection. So mechanically she's all up to date. Coming across here, you can see she has got her Bluetooth, and if I push this one, you can see she's also got her tuner, digital radio, CD, aux, and a USB connection. So coming down here, these are all, this is her CD slot here. Coming down here, this is all her controls for her heating, etc. She has got aircon and she's also got heated seats. I'm just going to tip you this way so you can see just here. These 3 buttons, the sports button gives you extra oomph, costs you more money on fuel. The automatic stop start for when you're queuing in traffic, etc. She'll kill her engine automatically for you to save for economy. And this is additional attraction. Gears are 6 forward, 1 reverse. I'm just going to show you up here so you can see she's got the additional glove box just in there. Oh, and if I push this one, you can see she's got full book pack as well. It's all up to date in there. We've got the service book in the office. Door cards are all really good. Multifunction steering wheel, don't know if I mentioned that. Cruise control, and up there you've got the box for the rain sensing wipers, etc. Don't know if I showed you, but she has got 2 keys. That is her door card for her driver's side, which is all in good shape. And the last alloy wheel on the front driver's side. The logos with Mrs. Mini on them just here. They can come off if you don't want them. I think they've put them on there for me, or the palleters have put them on there for me just because I'm going to drive it for a few days. So there you have her. She's a 2012 62 plate Mini Roadster Cooper S with the John Cooper Works body kit on her. High spec. If you would like to see more, she'll be on our website, mrsmini.co.uk. And if you would like to see her in the flesh, give me a call. I'm on my mobile 07540 29 22 22. Thanks for watching.